Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today I will talk about the Shopiroller Lifetime deal and I will show how to get Shopiroller Lifetime access. As an e-commerce business owner, you know that there are a lot of moving parts to keep track of. Shopiroller is a no-code platform that lets you manage all of your stores via the web, mobile, and other popular sales channels. With Shopiroller, you can save time and money by managing all of your stores from one place. Why are you late? Get a Shopiroller Lifetime deal today. What is the Shopiroller? Shopiroller is a no-code platform that lets you manage e-commerce stores via the web, mobile, and other popular sales channels. It helps you manage your selling business on the go and stay competitive with automatic notifications, professional visual merchandising, and more. It also helps you manage your brand reputation on various social media platforms to keep track of customer satisfaction and engagement. Best for developers, e-commerce, and web designers. Integrations: Facebook, Shopiroller, PayPal, Shopify, and Stripe. Alternative to Ecwid, Shopify, WooCommerce. Number 1 platform and many solutions. Shopiroller. Sell anywhere. Shopiroller gives you the opportunity to easily sell a product to anyone, anywhere, on the internet, and worldwide. Payment solutions. Accept credit cards and other popular payment methods using a payment solution that is ready to go when you need it. In-store sales. Find the point-of-sale system that will allow your business to increase sales. Link in-store and online sales systems together today. Developer freedom. Vibrant, responsive, and interactive e-commerce platform with Commerce API that changes shopping results on the fly. Create your online store in just a few clicks. Shopiroller is the perfect platform for selling digital products, physical products, and professional services. With its simple and easy-to-use interface, you can start, scale, and manage your business easily. Setting up your Shopiroller store is easy and only takes a few minutes. You can sell across multiple platforms, including your website, social media, and popular marketplaces like Amazon. You can also sell in person with Shopiroller's live sales feature. Get started today to see the success you deserve. Manage everything simple. Get the insights you need to grow your business with a single dashboard to manage orders, shipping, and payments on the go. Why should Shopiroller be the best online store? An easy and efficient method to manage your expanding business employs the most prominent platform that connects to your clients and meets your sales goals. 1. Inventory management for your business. Profitable inventory management, easy pricing, deliveries, and several other features are controlled from a single source. Centralized inventory management. We have the tools you need to manage, track, and move your inventory. With our easy-to-use tools, you can save time and money by managing your inventory in multiple locations. Order, shipping management and delivery. Store all your orders in one place and address all your shipping needs. Change your shipping processes to garner higher shipping throughput and keep track of all of your deliveries. Fast and secure payment. Shopiroller offers a variety of payment methods for your store and sales channels, including credit cards, PayPal, Klarna, Stripe, and more. We provide a smooth, secure, and fast checkout experience for your customers. Shipping and delivery made easy. Select cost-efficient shipping amenities to mail goods all over the world. Refine your options of the shipping rates, carriers, and plans you offer your consumers to ensure they get more out of every purchase. Boost sales and conversions. Get the most out of your store with powerful and easy-to-use analytics tools. Customer growth and insight. Give your customers the opportunity to unsubscribe and update their contact details after making a purchase on your mailing list and with customer feedback. Live analytics. Monitor your store's performance in real time. Track traffic, reach, orders, and revenue to get a comprehensive overview of how your store is doing. Learn and grow. The key to success is continual testing and improvement. With our easy-to-use platform, you can measure your progress and make changes on the fly to keep your business growing. Shopiroller overall overview. Shopiroller is a no-code platform that lets you manage e-commerce stores via web, mobile, and other popular sales channels. Shopiroller has everything you need to get your e-commerce store up and running in minutes for web and mobile. Getting started is simple. Just upload your company logo, add your products, brands, and categories, then highlight featured products. You can even host your store on an existing domain to make sure the entire shopping experience feels on brand. And because this is a no-code platform, you'll be able to set up shop without having to hire an expensive developer. Shopiroller sites are built to be user-friendly, so your customers can fill up their carts and check out online without a hitch. And with the ability to launch a white-label app that's compatible with iOS and Android devices, you can also connect with customers on the go. It's easy to upload your app to the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, and Huawei App Gallery, thanks to the Shopiroller integration. Best of all, Shopiroller doesn't stop with online and mobile stores. You can also set up sales channels across dozens of marketplaces and social networks. Attract customers on Instagram and Facebook with a shareable link to your store or specific products and services. You'll also be able to integrate with Amazon, Etsy, and Google to put your store in front of an even bigger audience. And you can manage orders and inventory from the backend, no matter what channel you're using to sell products. Shopiroller's payment solutions are super flexible, which means you can accept payment methods that make sense for your business and customers. You can accept payment through major providers like PayPal and Stripe, as well as Iyzico, Paydar, and United Payment. Plus, you can offer a pay-at-the-door option for brick-and-mortar stores. You'll even be able to create coupon codes for promotional campaigns and use payment links to make it easier for customers to check out. And Shopiroller never charges transaction fees, letting you maximize revenue with each sale. That's why Shopiroller lets you build an online store that customers can access via web, mobile, and other channels without touching any code. Get lifetime access to Shopiroller today. Shopiroller plans and features. Shopiroller features included in all plans. Lifetime access to Shopiroller. All future reseller plan updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 3 license tiers. GDPR compliant. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Features included in all plans. Unlimited product photos. Unlimited categories. Unlimited brands. Unlimited showcases. 3 product variants. No Shopiroller branding. Shopiroller offers 3 pricing plans in the Appsumo marketplace. Pricing number 1. Single plans. One-time purchase of $79. All features above included. 1 store. Unlimited hosting and traffic. Unlimited physical products. Pricing number 2. Double plans. One-time purchase of $139. All features above included. 5 store. Unlimited hosting and traffic. Unlimited physical products. Pricing number 3. Multiple plans. One-time purchase of $329. All features above included. 15 store. Unlimited hosting and traffic. Unlimited physical products. So why are you late? Get Shopiroller Lifetime access today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.